أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
وقل رب أعوذ بك من همزات الشياطين وأعوذ بك رب أن يحضرون.
And say, My Lord, I seek refuge with you from the whisperings, that's it suggestions, of the Shaitan, and I seek refuge with you, my Lord, lest they may attend or come near me.
There is another beautiful dua to protect yourself. Listen to it carefully. Rabbi, oh my Lord, a'udhu bika, I seek protection in you, min hamazati shayateen, from the whispers of the shayateen, the devils. Wa a'udhu bika rabbi an yahdurun. And I seek protection in you, oh my Lord, from them even coming into my presence. ربي أعوذ بك من همزات الشياطين وأعوذ بك ربي أن يحضرون. Oh Allah, oh my Rabb, I seek your protection from the whispers of the devils, and I seek your protection from them even coming into my presence. Tell me, after repeating that dua with conviction, do you really think that your Lord is going to forsake you? When He's given you billions of things you have not asked for already, do you really think the things you are asking for, He's not going to give you? Subhanallah.